Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Proflex Encapsulated Insecticide is a microencapsulated insecticide concentrate featuring 3 active ingredients: Lambda-cyhalothrin, a pyrethroid that will affect the pest nervous system; Novaluron, an insect growth regulator, or IGR, that inhibits the production of chitin; and Pyriproxyfen, another IGR that will stop young insects from maturing into adults. This product uses a microencapsulation technique to store Lambda-cyhalothrin and Pyriproxyfen. This not only protects the ingredients from degradation, but the capsule walls will utilize 2 different thicknesses. Thin capsules immediately release active ingredients for quick knockdown and fast control, while thicker capsules will diffuse active ingredient over weeks for long-term residual control. Novaluron is not encapsulated, ensuring it gets to work immediately. Proflex can be used indoors and outdoors with different spray applications with your sprayer of choice. This product is labeled to treat a wide variety of insects, like cockroaches, crickets, ants, and mosquitoes in a variety of locations, even where food is prepared or served, provided the facility is not in operation or when foods are exposed. Proflex can be used to treat a wide variety of pests, including flying insects, namely mosquitoes. However, to treat flying insects indoors or outdoors, you're relying on them to land on surfaces treated with the product, which may or may not happen. If you're looking for a product that's ready to use indoors and also has a built-in IGR, check out Novacide. Novacide is an aerosol insecticide that can be sprayed indoors to control flying pests like mosquitoes and on floors to treat crawling pests like fleas and cockroaches. It also contains Pyriproxyfen, one of the IGRs present in Proflex, and will leave a residual on sprayed surfaces that will prevent pests from reproducing properly. While Proflex is formulated with 3 active ingredients that each offer a unique mode of action, the product is fixed to the ratios that it's mixed at, limiting its applications. If you're looking for products that can mix at different ratios for more diverse applications, try using Flex 1010 along with Martin's IG Regulator. Flex 1010 is a liquid insecticide concentrate that can be sprayed to control labeled pests indoors and outdoors in cooler weather. Martin's IG Regulator is also an IGR that contains Pyriproxyfen. These products come in separate containers, allowing you to control the ratio of adulticide to IGR you want before mixing in a sprayer. Before using Proflex, be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Proflex comes in a 32-ounce tip and measure bottle. For most labeled indoor and outdoor applications, you'll use either 1 or 2 fluid ounces per gallon of water. To mix, fill the sprayer halfway with water and add your measured amount of Proflex. Then fill the tank with the rest of the water up to the 1 gallon mark. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even solution. Pump the sprayer a few times to create a low-pressure spray. For most low-volume applications, we recommend you use a handheld sprayer since it's easier to use indoors or outdoors. For large volume applications, Proflex is labeled to be applied with an adjustable hose-in sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Indoors, Proflex can be applied as a general surface application, including spot spray, crack and crevice applications, under appliances, along baseboards, and more. Outdoors, Proflex can be used to treat cracks and crevices, around the perimeter of structures or foundation walls, broadcasted over turf to treat surface and subsurface pests, and it can be applied to protect ornamental plants in landscaped areas. After treatment, some applications may require a follow-up to treated areas in 7 to 21 days. Proflex does not kill instantly, but it will work to kill labeled insects that come into contact with the product within 24 to 48 hours. Proflex will protect against fleas for up to 7 months, preventing flea eggs and larvae that come into contact from developing into adult fleas. Proflex will also cause a decrease in eggs laid and hatched by flying insect pests. Maggots that come into contact with the product will not develop into normal adult flies. For other pests, it may take several weeks to see noticeable drops in activity, depending on your target pest life cycle. Indoors, do not reapply Proflex at less than 21-day intervals if retreatment is not necessary. Outdoors, do not exceed the maximum annual rate of 135.3 fluid ounces per acre per year, or 3.11 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet per year. Shop for Proflex on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a bait or dust for complete control. For each pest, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.